Hi everybody, this is a short tutorial on how you could change the code of your 3-digit combination lock. Usually if you buy a new one it's set to 000. If you want to change the combination you only have to pull out the shackle, turn it around for 180 degrees, put it back again into the housing, change the number you want to have. Let's say it's 111, pull it out again and close it. So now you could just use the lock for anything that you want, like for example using it as a chocolate spread lock. 0, 0. Here we go. Thanks for watching. See you.